So in this video, we're going to go over instructions for weekly module 2. So here we have the learning resources and this week's assignments. So this week we are finally starting to get to know more about this differential equations. So for our learning resources, I've so far posted one video and one site that contains more reading about differential equations and some practice problems that's relevant to this week's reading. I will post a lot more videos if I find good ones, but I don't want to overwhelm students by posting too many resources. So that's what we have right now. And for this week's assignment, so homework is the reading of the first 3 sections of chapter 1. So you're responsible for reading 1.1 through 1.3. That's pages 33 to 38. And students will do problems 1, 2, and 3 on page 38 and submit them. Keep in mind these 3 problems have lots of sub-problems, but currently I just made a video that goes over some of the problems, and it's still configuring. So as soon as that gets uploaded on YouTube, I will post this video here, so you guys can. I did a few problems of the homework. So I think going forward, I will continue to make the homework preview videos instead of homework review problems. Videos. Usually if it's a one-to-one, if it's an in-face class, then I would be going over the homework reviews, but I think for the online learning, I think it makes more sense if I do the homework preview videos. And when I do create the homework, if I see some problems that majority of the students have struggled, then I will make a video going over those problems. Okay, so that's the homework assignment that you guys are turning in. And for the week 2 discussion board, please give me answers to these 2 questions. First question is, how much time did you spend on homework 1? And question 2 is, on a scale of 1 being very easy to scale 5 very hard, what was the difficulty level of homework 1? I'm interested in asking you these questions because I want to know how much of a background mathematics do you remember? Do I need to spend more time going over the preliminary topics before we get to harder sections on the differential equations itself? So please do to post this by next Sunday by 11:59, and this will go in towards your participation point. Something that I forgot to mention in the last video, but it does state in our course syllabus, is that for the homework factor, when I grade the homework, I am really looking for the completion part, not the accuracy. So what that means is that I want students to attempt all of the problems under the homework category, and not just give me the solution or just the answer. That doesn't count as the completed, because some of these problems do have answers, just the answers in the back of the book. So it's extremely important that you guys do the problems and then check your answers at the back of the textbook, so you guys are aware whether you're doing these problems or not correctly. Okay, so that's that, and both of these assignments, both the posting of the discussion board and the homework, are due again Sunday by midnight, 11:59. And if you guys have any questions in the meantime, please do send me an email. Thank you.